Hello, Stampers! I'm Dina Lanzendorf at Ink and with Dink, and welcome to my Facebook Live. I like to come live on Wednesdays as much as possible, just to share with you some new project ideas, give you any kind of tips and tricks and things like that that I find that I think would be helpful to others. But today, what I wanted to do is I found a super cute little, box kind of thing that can hold lots of different things like hot chocolate packets or any kind of a fall snack mix, things like that. And I actually found it on, I believe it was Pinterest or maybe it was Facebook, I can't remember, by Lisa Curcio. And I thought it was super, super cute. And so I decided, I want to remake some of those and use them as gifts. But I also thought I would do a Facebook Live and share with you guys the super cute projects and make one so that you guys can see how to do it too. So are you ready to get started? All right, I'm going to go ahead and flip you around so that I can get my work surface going. All right. So this is one of the super cute boxes that I made that I wanted to share with you today. And let me put some more light on this subject here. There we go. And it's really super easy to make. And I just think there are so many things that you could do with these. So this is a Christmas one that I made up, or a holiday one, winter, I guess you could say, that I made up. And it actually holds hot chocolate and some of those dehydrated marshmallows. Now, aren't these the cutest things? They're all marshmallow flavored, but they're all different colors. So I thought they were super cute. I found them at Walmart. And they're dehydrated marshmallows. So they're little and compact until you put them in your hot chocolate and then they expand a little bit. But those in a little cello bag fit perfectly into this little box. And of course, I use the new stamp set. That's the new cup reversible stamp set. That is so much fun and makes such cute things. And it is called Cup of Christmas. And if you look in the holiday catalog right here on page 34, this is the stamp set. And it is the first reversible stamp set that Stampin' Up! Has ever had. But it is super cute and super fun because what it means is that you can stamp a cup this way with the handle on the left, but you can also turn the stamp over and stamp the exact same cup with the handle on the right. And there are coordinating framelits with this so that you can cut it out no matter which way you make the handle go. So super fun, super cute kind of stamp set that they have. So now that I have made one of these for Christmas, I thought it would be kind of fun, to do one for autumn or fall. So I'm going to make it and show you guys how to do it so you can make one too. And let's see what we come up with. So to start off, you're going to need 2 pieces of cardstock. One of them that measures 11 inches by 4.5. And one of them that measures 6 inches by 3.5. Okay, so we're going to start off with the 4.5 by 11, and we're going to score it. Okay, and it needs to be scored at 3.5, 5. Get my arm out here. 8.5. and 10. Okay, then you need to turn it 90 degrees and score it at 3 inches. Okay, and then what you're going to do is you're going to take it and you are going to fold it, okay, crease it with a bone folder on all of the score lines. And I see that I obviously used my cutter blade at the wrong time. It moved. Okay. Once you get that done, you're going to go ahead and fold it along the 3 inch. Okay, and then this little tab down here needs to be cut off. Okay, and like I said, I kind of missed with the blade and did this line here. That does not need to be, but that's going to be okay. I will show you. Yours won't be cut there, but we can fix that pretty easy. So this is what is actually going to make the base of our box. Okay, so you need to have some tear and tape. So we're just going to take a strip of our tear and tape and we're going to put it right along this edge right here. Okay, so that is right above where we cut out the little tab. Okay, then we're going to take the backing off of our tape. We're going to fold this around to form our box, just like that. Okay, then what we're going to do is we're going to cut our tabs, and I'm going to do this a little strategically. You're going to go straight up on all 4 of your lines. I am not, because I have this little extra thing here. So I'm just going to tuck that in like that, and I'm going to tape mine just like that. So yours is just going to be like a regular box bottom. Mine's just different because I had that extra little cut in there that I accidentally did. And I always tell my customers in my classes and stuff, every boo-boo can be fixed one way or another. And that's exactly what I just did, is I just fixed my boo-boo. So then you are going to end up with a box that looks just like this. Okay? So then what we're going to do, this piece, this was our other piece that we had, which is 3.5 by 6. It is going to stay just like that. There's no scoring on it. Now we need to pull out some designer series paper to decorate our box. And I am going to use our fall paper that's in the holiday catalog. And this is the Come Together designer series paper. Okay, if you haven't seen this, it is the cutest paper. Let me show you some of the designs. I love the colors in this paper. So pretty, and they go so well together. I'm getting this out. There we go. So aren't they pretty? I love the oranges. I love the wood color. The rust. I love this with the pumpkins. It's just such pretty paper. This is my favorite piece right here. And it's just really, I really like it. It's very cute fallish paper, but we are going to use this paper right here that has the pumpkins on it. Okay. So you're going to need 2 pieces of designer series paper. The first piece is going to measure 3.25 by 5 3/4. Okay. The second one is going to measure 3.25 by 2 3/4. Okay. You can probably already guess that this big piece is going to go right on top of our bigger piece of cardstock. So we're just going to put some Tombow adhesive on there and stick it right down like that. Okay, now again, I know I've said before, I love to use the liquid Tombow because it gives you a minute to reposition and get it straight on your project. Then the smaller piece is going to go on the box front. So it's just going to go down right like this. Now keep in mind, if you have design on your designer series paper, you want it facing up, okay? Now this is the back piece. So what we're going to do, we're going to turn it over and we're just going to put some adhesive about halfway down like that. And then it goes inside of our box against the back, just like that. Okay, so there is our box. Now I wanted to decorate it with something cute and fallish. And I remembered we had our Harvest Hellos stamp set. Okay, and it is, let me find it in the catalog for you since I don't have the box here. But it is right here on page 49 of the holiday catalog, and that's this one right here. So I thought since we're using the pumpkin designer series paper, it would be super cute to punch out a pumpkin to go on the front. Okay, but I didn't want to use our traditional pumpkin colors. So I am going to actually stamp my pumpkin on Pear Pizzazz, and I'm going to do it in Pear Pizzazz ink. Okay, so I'm just going to open that up, take my pumpkin image, ink that up, and we're going to do a tone on tone. So it's the Pear Pizzazz on Pear Pizzazz. Okay. We're going to use the coordinating punch, which I love the stamp set and the coordinating punch. And we're just going to punch it out just like that. Okay. Now I want to do a stem for my pumpkin, and you can see on the punch the stem is included here. So I'm just going to punch one of them out using soft suede cardstock. Then I want to pull out a little bit more of my Tombow glue, put just a touch down on the bottom of my stem, and let's put the stem on the back of the pumpkin. Okay. Now I'm going to put my pumpkin on the box, but I want him to pop a little bit. So if we turn him over and put some dimensionals right there, that will make our pumpkin pop on the front of our box. So we're just going to put him down just like that. So see, isn't that the cutest thing? And then I found some of the Brock's Harvest Mix, which is my favorite because I love these big pumpkins. They're my favorite. But how cute is this? In a cello bag, tied up with one of our ribbons, and it fits down perfectly into that box. So what a super fun, cute gift to give to somebody as a thank you. Either one of these boxes with as a fall theme, or one with more of a winter or Christmassy theme. And there you go. There are the two fun projects or fun boxes that I have designed for you. If you have any questions, please let me know. If you decide that it is time to place your order for either of these fabulous bundles, then please be sure and use my October host code up here, and I will be sending out a free gift to everyone who places an order this month. But that is it for today. Thanks for watching my live, and I hope to see you next week.